We have all been there. You are in a quiet room, and suddenly your stomach makes a massive growling sound. This noise is technically called borborygmi. It happens when your intestines squeeze to push food through. Inside your gut, there is a mix of liquid and gas. When muscles contract, they mix together like shaking a water bottle. But why is it louder when you are hungry? Because an empty stomach acts like an echo chamber. When you are full, the food muffles the noise. But when empty, the sound amplifies against the hollow walls. Actually, that growl is often your stomach cleaning itself, sweeping leftover food into the intestines. So don't be embarrassed. It just means your digestive system is working perfectly.